Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Monday, July 14, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 10, verses 34 to chapter 11, verse 1. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 37. He who loves father or mother more than me is not worthy of me, and he who loves son or daughter more than me is not worthy of me. The Gospel of the Lord. Our message, love Jesus most. Ibigin si Jesus ng lubos. First, prioritize Jesus most. Jesus is the very reason for everything and blessings. Unahin si Jesus ng lubos. Si Jesus ang mismong dahilan ng lahat ng bagay at mga pagpapala. Second, worship Jesus most. Jesus is the very heart and love of God Almighty. Sambahin si Jesus ng lubos. Si Jesus ang mismong puso at pag-ibig ng Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat. And third, serve Jesus most. Jesus is the very meaning and victory of life. Paglingkuran si Jesus ng lubos. Si Jesus ang mismong kahulugan at tagumpay ng buhay. Magandang umaga po, good morning, and God bless us all.